Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. Do you know AI data engineering one of the most popular jobs in the 2026? One of the most popular. So guys, be ready for it. So guys, I'm creating a series of videos on this topic, on this particular job. Here you will learn end to end from the basics to the advanced. Everything. I will cover up each and every topic in detail. I'm a senior data engineer with 15 years of robust experience with Microsoft certified. So, guys, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? So let's move to the. So, guys, let's deep dive the this course roadmap. And thing is, there would be around 120 days. I will basically cover up this entire course, okay, from the basics to the advanced, okay. You will able to find month by month progress, okay, even the week by week as well. And so let's dive the first month what we will cover the Python basics as well as SQL from the basic to the advanced, because one of the major like need in this entire course, like this is a basic as well as more required, okay, more mandatory, I would say mandatory, skill for this particular course would be the SQL. So you need end to end, or like basic to the advanced level understanding for this one. So no issue. Okay, I have prepared this entire course for you already. Okay, so no need to be worry about that because it is already there. Around there are 60 videos are there. Okay, you will find in my channel. You can go and check out over there. And if you no issue at all. Let me show you my I'll basically put my link over there, and you will able to find this in my channel as well. So let me show you on my channel. There are around all the videos are like published over there, so you can go and check out all the series. There is around, okay, 57 videos are there, okay, and there are few some upcoming videos as well, but yeah, this is almost 60 videos you will able to find. So yeah, all the videos are there, okay, related to the each and everything from the basic to the table creation to the stored procedure as well as the like execution plan, each and everything you will able to find all these topics in my series. So yeah, go and check out. For the Python, definitely I will cover up those as well. I will create those videos for you. There I will cover up from the basics to the advanced for Python as well, so no issue at all. Okay, so this would be the first month plan, and I'm sure, and this is not much for you because this is in 30 days you will able to cover up a lot of many things. But yeah, I will basically why I basically pick 1 month of time, because you need to practice as well on these topics. Okay, so guys, okay, this would the first month that we will cover up. Now the second month. In the second month, I'll basically cover up the Spark. Okay, what is Spark? And this is the most harder part of this particular course. Okay, I would not say this is harder, but this would be the more into the like uh, real transformation, because here you will do the real transformation. This is the core, so I would say this is a core part of the data engineer. Okay, so yeah, this month you will make like little more cautious for this particular Spark, Databricks, Data Lake, even the Azure part also, like cloud part also I will cover up over there, so that you will aware what sort of tools you can cover. Okay, and yeah, this would be the second month, so this would be little harder. Okay, so be prepared for that. So no issue. Now coming to the month third month, okay, this would be little not complex, not hard. It would be little more intuitive, like you will able to understand like majority of part, but yeah, you'll have to be explore the cloud side, okay, like fabric, modern stacks, okay, like culture, like architecture, like medallion architecture, and lot of other metadata driven framework. So you'll have to be little ready for it, and no issue at all. I will be there to cover up each and everything from the in detail. So you will not able to find any difficulties while learning. So this would be the third month, and I'm sure you will be eager to learn this. And coming to the fourth month, this would be little more advanced one. Okay, guys, and here I will cover up LLMs, RAGs, as well as Gen AI. What exactly? Because in the like in the today's world, everyone is talking about the AI. So this is the real AI and how this AI is working and how ChatGPT is working and how LLMs are working and lot many things I will cover up over here. So, guys, I think this would be the complete 4 month journey for this particular course. So, guys, are you ready? Are you guys ready for it? Are you crazy for it or not? Because this would be life changing event for you once you learn this entirely. This particular course, AI data engineer, this is like more demand in the market. So, guys, be ready, and then again we will meet in the next video. Till that time, thank you.